We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for southwestern Dallas County and for Ellis County until 8 o'clock. The severe thunderstorm complex is located near Ovilla, Glen Heights area, moving southeast to 25 miles per hour on a direct path toward Red Oak and Palmer. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued now for northern Ellis County and southwestern Dallas County until 8 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm is located near the Glen Heights area, moving southeast to 25 miles per hour. It will be impacting you also on I-35 south of Lancaster and north of Waxahachie. Could produce some 2-inch hail, also capable of producing torrential rain and 60-mile-per-hour winds in northern Ellis County. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.